We're sorting out the wiring, so I've got this for the voltmeter, so I'm just working out how long I'm going to need it. I'm going to go across there, along here, up here, along here, into the box. I have all the wires all measured up and cut, crimped at the underneath. There's 3 lots here. So we've got the voltmeter, USB plugs, and temperature gauge. So now we're going to get all of that into this stuff, and yeah, we'll go from there. We're gonna fit the electrical harnesses today. Just put this loosely in place after I've attached this back up, so we can get it in the right place. Tighten it up. This I have normally going through there. Put that in. Like this. There. This one. This. Through under here. Makes sense. First one. Battery in. Red. Should give me some ignition. Two earths. Okay. So that's earthed. So earthed. The frame there and the positive there. So now if I get this and touch it, we show it clicking. Okay. So now we've got to get our ignition live, which I think we look ignition, accessory, starter. So we tried getting off the back of there. Okay, got a bunch of low amp fuses. Just going to put them all in there. These are between 5 and 7.5 amp. Push them in. So, I'm going to check for one I think is an ignition live. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Okay, that clicks. It's on. Yep. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, fourth one down is an ignition live. Okay, so fourth one down. One, two, three, four. This one here. What I'm going to do is remove that. Put it on the end. Right now, there is the spade connector, shrink wrapped. And slide that into the 1, 2, 3, fourth one down. Stuck in there nicely. Ignition on. Press the button. There we go. Lights on. Ignition off. And you can hear it clicking. Okay, so I'm going to stick in the heated grips now. Through there. Behind there. To here. Start putting these through correctly now. Okay, nothing. Turn the ignition on. Hopefully. There we go. So your lights on. Ignition off. Light goes off. Boom. Your grips are working. Okay, so there you go. 3 down the bottom there, 3 at the top there. So heated grips, sat nav, phone holder. This side we've got to work out what they are by connecting all these up and finding out which ones they are. So we'll do that now. Ignition on. And I'll connect one by one. Okay, so that is, you can see there, temperature gauge. So you see, that's say temperature gauge, low, temperature gauge bottom one. Okay. That's the volt gauge, 12.4 volts, the middle one, which leaves the top one to be my front USBs. Them all labelled up. There and there. Ignition is on. Ignition off. Ignition on. Ignition off. Ignition on. Ignition off. And there is about a second delay, which is good. Which means it doesn't overload the system. So I'll get the last one on and start tidying up the wiring. So finally, we've got switch live in there. A couple of tie wraps holding it to the main loom to stop it from pulling out too easy. Got my battery tender connected. The main positive feed for it. Earth up here, this is where the side bodywork connects to, so there'll be a longer bolt going through from the bodywork. This is just here for testing. And all the cables in the webbing through into here. And this sits in here. And I'm going to stick this down with a bit of double-sided tape. Battery tender wire there, so I can look plugged in underneath my seat and all my bits and pieces. So test it. There we go. About 0.6 volts. Also got my heat grip ones here. Heat grips to just thread through. And my sat nav cable to thread up. And they all go through underneath, so they'll get them done at a later date. So yeah, there we go. That's pretty much jobbed. And yeah, a lot neater. Sorted.